Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Here's a tool that I never use, and well, I've used it a couple of times, but I've never made a video, and I was just kind of playing with it today, and it is kind of cool. It's got a purpose. Underneath your pick tool, there's a freehand pick tool and a free transformation. I don't know when it started, but it's been around a while. And if you click on it, you get these uh, 4 menu items. And one you could click on rotate, and you could click on this corner and then rotate this object from that corner very easily. And you could, change the rotation or whatever you want to do. We could take that same shape and we can use the free angle reflection, and you could put it way out here and look at it. It's rotating it from wherever I put it. I mean, it's so big it's off the screen. I'm going to go back to start with a regular square, and you can do basically the same thing, free scale from way out here and play with it. If you were making, let's hit the keyboard, the plus sign on the keyboard, or maybe Control D. Well, I don't know if that's going to work because yeah, there we go. You could make different shapes inside of shapes, but they're inside that shape, so that doesn't really help very much. The other one is free skew. So pretty much wherever you pick from, you're going to skew from. If I would have picked from the outside, I would skew from that outside. It's kind of like the rotation, but it's making a weird shape by doing that. And so if you go for the center, it's just kind of, up and down, left and right. Unless you find a really good purpose for it, it's kind of neat, I guess, if you had a bunch of blocks and you were just playing with different sizes and wanting them around an item, and, Control D and make a duplicate and make another one and Control D. And then if you keep going, it'll just keep going. Anyway, so kind of play around with it, see what you think. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.